First have to open these. This is from your Grandma Becky. You guys, did you hear me? Shh. Say that it's from your Grandma Becky. Grandma Becky, I love her. I know that she did it. Shh. That's the same as Kobe got.
Emily. What is it? What numbers on that card? What numbers on that card?
4.
4. Emily, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Do you want to tell Grandma you love her?
I love you.
Okay.
There's clothes in there.
Oh, look how pretty. Look at them. Do you like them?
Yeah. This could fit me either.
It could, huh? 2 dresses. Can you look at the camera and say thank you, Grandma Becky?
Thank you, Grandma. I got this.
Oh, Sadie, what did you get?
Dress. It is a dress like. Can we put the other
Can you, Sadie, can you say thank you, Grandma Becky?
Thank you, Grandma Becky.
Okay.
I wait to see this. I could put this on upstairs tomorrow. Okay.
She did a good job, huh?
Hi.
Those are from your great-grandma.
Okay, let's not take them apart yet. I'm gonna see if they're the right size. Okay. All right, everybody, look at the camera and say, hey, look at the camera and say, bye-bye, Grandma. We love you.
Bye-bye, Grandma. We love you.
Okay, Emily, do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.